Hey, lovers, it's your girl, Luxury, and I'm super excited because we have part 2 of my Disney bounding cosplay adventure. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to wear to Disney, and I'm like, why not figure it out with you guys? So I did part 1, and I tried on like 5 different looks, and this is part 2, and I have about 6 different looks, and I think I saved the best for last. Watch part 1, watch part 2, and let me know what you think. I'll be reading the comments because I love the feedback. Also, Franklin says hi. Make sure you donate to the Cash App so you can feed Franklin. Appreciate you. Bye. I'll be back. Check it out. And the first stop on the Disney-bound bus is who other than the one, the only, the Mickey Mouse. M-I-C-K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E. I love this. I love it. I knew I wanted to do a Mickey. I don't know if I get away with this in the park. What y'all think? Can I walk into Disney and not get walked out in this? I think it's cute. It's just a red skirt and a black shirt, and I like the glasses because they like embody the colors. They give you the circles. I feel like it's giving what needs to be gave. Can I get away with this at Disney parks? Y'all let me know. Y'all been there several times. I only never been there, so I don't know much. I do know that I feel comfortable in this. This guy has that mermaid hem, and it's like a good length, a good knee length. I feel like this is kid park friendly. What do you think? Moving on, we have who else? Cinderella. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Uta, uta. I've always loved Cinderella. I think this dress is so pretty. I have to bring it. I think it's okay. If anything is okay, this dress is okay. The ears are not, I don't know. I feel like maybe I'm not an ears person. Do y'all think the ears are too much? I feel like that's what makes it Disney, first of all. But then a part of me is like, that's not me though. I don't know. The dress is super pretty. I didn't have to add like a petticoat or anything underneath it to get frill and flow, and it's just so feminine and cute. What do you think? Next up, Princess Aurora. Yes, come on. Wake me up before you go. The one and only Sleeping Beauty. I feel like I got her colors together. Maybe I could add something white, like some frilly white socks to get that white element in there. What y'all think? How can I make this a little bit more? Is this Disney park friendly? Is it too cute? I feel like it's a birthday dress. I felt like the birthday girl in this dress. I was like, all right, let me take off the petticoat and see how I like it when it's just like in its normalcy. And this is how it looks without the petticoat. It's still super cute and frilly and girly. A nice length, not too short. And I still feel like the birthday girl. I feel like it's my birthday. But as you read the bio on any page that I have, it says every day's my birthday and life is the gift. And I truly believe that. I don't wait for special occasions to wear my nice things. I live my life like tomorrow's not promised. And I encourage you to do the same. But on another note, do you think I'm going to get kicked out of Disney if I wear this? Will they let me walk around the parks like this? I think so. I think it's cute. I got some cute cozy shoes. I know you see me in heels in a lot of these videos, but I'm not silly. I know better than to wear heels to Disney. Come on. Make sure you check out part 2 and leave your thoughts in the comments. Alright, quick interlude. It's looking good so far. So good. Let me know what are your favorites. Make sure you check out part 1 as well, because maybe like some looks better for part 1. I'm also looking for any advice. Like I said, I do not want to get kicked out of Disney. I ain't trying to piss nobody off. I'm not trying to get that pink slip. So I'm gonna let you get back to it. But make sure you hit that subscribe and that notification. If you got this far, that means you're kind of having a good time. I hope so. Subscribe. I'll be back. Keeping it going under the sea. This is a bonus. I'm not gonna wear this to Disney. I had no plans or intentions to, but I got this like a while back for when I went to see The Little Mermaid, the new live action version, and I wanted to do a mermaid cosplay. I didn't know that they reimagined her whole look, so I got this from Doll's Kill. It's super cute, and I just thought I'd add it to the mix. Next up, this has to be my favorite thing. I thought I was gonna wear this like if I went to like any of the water parks or did any of the water rides, but nah, I'm bringing this on my cruise, honey. I love to cosplay every day. That's kind of like my vibe. Even when I'm not cosplaying, I'm cosplaying. That's how I knew I was a cosplayer, and I've been holding back for like far too long. But this is super cute. I like putting it with this little frilly red toe skirt that I had got from H&M like 10 years ago, but I still have it and it's amazing. So I added that to the mix just to make it like cute and festive and like walkable. Like I could walk around with it like this. So I'm definitely bringing this to the cruise, baby. Let's go. This has to be like one of my top looks from this series if you haven't seen part 1 and 2. Okay, real quick, I promise you all in part 1 that I'll explain bounding a little bit. So Disneybounding is short, or like it's contrived from Disney bound, meaning like on your way, like I'm bound to go to Disney and I'm Disney bound. But it's like also the concept of creating looks that remind you of your favorite characters, or maybe just characters that you just enjoy to create, and in a way that it doesn't exactly exemplify them, but it like pays homage. So you could just wear the colors. Like you don't have to do anything specific, and it doesn't have to be like a cliche carbon copy of the character. I'm extra and I'm a cosplayer, so I'm struggling with this, like the fine line, because I'm so extra. I usually try to go all in when I'm doing a character. Like I want to own it. So I cannot own it because they're owned by Disney, obviously. And I want to have respect and honor this, this creative intelligence, intellectual property that doesn't belong to me, but still be able to add my own spin on it. So that being said, yeah, cosplaying and Disneybounding are kind of two different things, but they're in the same family. And I'm new to bounding. I do what I call wearing like a cosfit, which is like what Disneybounding is, but it could be anything. Like I could just have an outfit that reminds me of a character. I play this game with my friends, and if you know, if you're watching this and you're my real friend, and we play this game, I call it cosplay every day, and I just be people watching, and I notice people wearing outfits, like let's say you have on like a blue jumper and a green shirt, I'd be like, oh look, Luigi. It's like they're cosplaying, but they don't even know it, and they're playing my game. So before I even knew what Disneybounding was or anything like that, so like just to give you an idea of what it is, you don't have to wear exactly what the character is wearing. You can do your own thing and just add something to it, maybe incorporating the colors or the energy or the something, you know what I mean? So look it up, look into it. It's pretty cool, and you're gonna see a lot more of that on my channel, and I don't care who don't like it because I'm having a good time. Yeah. This is another mini. This one, I don't know, it's controversial. I feel like I don't know, like what do they call those teeny boppers? It's giving me 1952. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I am wearing a petticoat, but it's like a lightweight one. It's not like too poofy, because I didn't want to be like, it's my birthday. I thought this was cute. I thought it was kind of casual. I thought the buns was giving you Minnie. I thought the glasses was giving you luxury Leah. And I thought I better ask y'all, because I feel like this is cutting it real close. Will I get kicked out of Disney parks for wearing this? Because this is something I will wear at night for the fireworks, because it has the long sleeves and it's comfy and cozy, and probably by the end of the day my feet gonna be hurting anyway. So what do you all think? Can I get away with this? Or is this like, girl, what are you doing? This is straight up costume. I don't know. For me, it's not. But I'm open to honesty. I like honesty. Be honest with me. Okay, that was cool. Yes, no, maybe. I hope you guys really liked, and girls and babes and them, just beautiful spirits alike. Really enjoyed these pieces. It took me some time to gather them all together. I had to split the video up into 2 just to I just had to do it in 2. And now that it's done, I love it. And I have my own personal favorites, but I want to see what you think. So make sure you hit the comments and let me know what you think. What's your favorites? What do you like? What do you dislike? You can be honest, but don't be mean. Be nice. And make sure you follow me on all my socials and join my Facebook group and all that good stuff. And check out my cosplay stuff. I'm going to be doing more content like this. I'm still doing the hair. I'm still doing my thing. But, yeah, having a good time exploring the world, and you're welcome to explore with me. My first time to Disney. Let's do it big. Let's do it right. Let's have a good time. Come along with me for the fun and the journey, and let's see what's in store. I don't know what this next chapter holds. I will be following up with what I did actually wear, photos and videos and my personal experience. Probably gonna do a whole vlog about that. So excited. So yeah, make sure you subscribe and you hit the notification bell. And I'm sorry it's so dark, because I want to make sure I got this video. I had to do what I had to do. Okay, and you got to do what you got to do. Like, hit that notification bell, subscribe, share. Every time you share, it does something in the internet streets, that makes me more successful. So I appreciate that. I appreciate you. I love you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Oh, and remember, if you're not a lover, you're a hater.